Okay, just a moment. Friggin' Outlook was being a bastard and not signing me out, so sorry about the delay. Close that. Preview card. Close. See. Give me a couple minutes. Okay, everything's not set up. Okay, give me a few minutes. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. No. Clear that. Oh, I need to uncardboard myself. Close that. That's fine as it is. Open setup. Okay, give me 2 minutes and then we'll start. Okay, I just forgot something. A little bit longer. Finally. Okay. Uh, uh, One sec. Moment. Light. Uh, okay. Hmm. Okay. Oh God. Uh, uh, um. Let's see. Uh. 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 Um. Uh. 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 Hmm. Let's see. Uh, Let's see. I can't wait for tomorrow. I can't wait for tomorrow. Let's see. Oh, I forgot to close the down. Okay. Uh, 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 what would it? Oh wait, no, save. uh, 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 you oh god uh let's see. Uh, 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 how would I put this? The wait. Uh, the rough design specification. As you review the rough design, uh, uh, you, Hunter, you consider matter. Uh, uh, you know that you could push this a little further. Technically, your expertise, you can set your price when it comes to the uh, 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 Hello, how you doing? When technically considered when it comes to this project, there isn't another person on the with your skill set and with your skill set and this project and a reliable means to actually. How are you doing, Mahudra? Maharudra. Harad. Uh, a reliable means to actually fight back against uh, alien, ships. Would say is incredible, incredibly. But you also that you are already uh, 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 already coming out well ahead. Mm, Not only will you be well compensated for your work, but the real uh, 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 but the real value here is in the expertise you have. You will have access. But the real value in the expertise you will have access. The real value is in the expertise you will have access to. Hmm. The okay. Cool. And deal. Lol are two of the most skilled shipwright outside of country and realistic and arguably for your purposes better than better than better than them since the main benefit that horse shipwright shipwright uh, shipwright would be in the magic they can provide. Oh no. There we go. That's all of them. What nonsense. Okay. Okay. Would be in the magical secret that they have been able to reconstruct from those ancient the Empress First Fleet. Right. You aren't that you're not sure that you want that you would interested in in simply recreating those most shipwrights in the only only those from horse country could compare. And could compare. With their help and the insights that insights that Captain would be able to share with you. uh, uh, um, uh, you are currently uh, on track to build one of the best ships that um, the country best ships they um, ever built on this continent. Of course. Uh, and if you really wanted to dig the knife in, you could always charge them a bit more for material sourced from uh, say from uh, uh, your own suppliers. Uh, since they are on the hook. You don't. This uh 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 will be uh, that will remain uh 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 uh, oh, God. This so that everything will remain. Uh, uh, remain. I hope that uh, I look forward to um the admiral agreed. Uh, um, Thought else you sign the contract dealing with the uh bond now into place. I hope you can overlook our key. This is of an something of an something of a press match after uh, mentally you shuffle the mentally you consider your various suppliers and what you can do to make Rod really really stab him in the pocket. But perhaps some of your fans would be interested in earning a little more uh while while you help while would be interested in earning a little more while building. Process doing is both quality and be done ready quickly after. The wave hunt portion is locked in. be goal. Research. Okay. Research complete. Slash T. $1,500 out of 30. 100. Great. Raw. Right. 0 to blank of 30. Get a quick discussion session in with with happening. Captain. Hey, how you doing, Zed? Uh, uh, it, hmm. Everything going okay? Uh, uh, Keeping on top of everything? Yeah. Ooh, nice. Getting a quick discussion with Cap would be it would be useful to have the perspective, captain, set of sailor that has faced the field ship without your magic. Ah. Hmm. Did it go well? Uh, this it would allow you to remain in uh, until shipwright arrive. Head back to the so that you can get started on uh, perhaps setting up proper shipyard would be useful to do ahead. Hmm. I'm happy for you. Well, happy for him, I guess. Maybe next time you'll be able to go with him like you planned. Uh, uh, uh. uh, uh, ignore once, ignore once, ignore once, ignore once. Oh, it only noticed the names. That's perfect. Okay, we're going to work on the chat in a minute, but I need to go grab some water. So I'll be right back. Okay, let's get switched over to software development in a minute. Just need to pop over to here, change this thing to say software. Uh, Easy person. Uh, okay. Let me see something. Hold on. Testing. Oh, there is still some delay in that. Uh, uh, so. Oh, wait, did I hit? No, I did not. There we go. Uh, God. Uh, huh. Uh, Pointers. Uh, 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 yes. Break. Uh, 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 okay. Yes. We're just getting rid of that because I do not need that data in here. Okay. Uh, 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 Okay. Uh, oh, yeah, I don't know. Uh, uh, um, user timeout is already handled. Okay. Case user banned. Uh, handle message cleanup. Transmission dot data dot banned user dot ID. Uh, oh, hey, Zed. Uh, refresh this. Yes, normal stream. We're doing software dev right now. So yes. So in theory, copy object. What do you mean LM is not defined? 302. Ah, yeah, that's refresh that. And then I do handle YouTube. Then I do that. Oh, I guess refresh. Okay, 1, 2. You mean LM is not defined? I forget to hit save or some shit. Of course. Refresh. Okay, and do that. And then if I grab your timeout event, I should get why didn't that work? Uh, okay. What? Oh, okay. It's because I grabbed the wrong event. Yeah. Uh, what? YT timeout. There we go. Handle. Q is undefined. Okay. Uh, uh, refresh. Uh, eh, uh, uh, okay, that didn't work. Why didn't that work? Okay. Okay. Huh? Wait, why is user.id undefined? Oh, it's because I'm a dumbass. Okay. Where's the Twitch one? Uh, uh, name. Uh, 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 perfect. Me? I am on Windows actually, and I kind of have to be on so to stream easily with the current setup I have, because the thing I use for face tracking requires Windows. I am hoping to move away from it at some point, but yeah. If I could be, I would be on Linux. Just too many things don't support it. Let's not much. If you're not trying to do anything fancy with it, not much at all. Uh, uh, okay, whatever. Point is, that's working. Oh yeah, Windows is a pain. Okay, so that's working properly. That means that all of my chat stuff is looking good. I just need to pop open Critter. Hey Zed, do you mind if I time you out for a second, just to test that the thing is properly working? I thought you'd fix that. Said you'd replace the drivers and it was looking good. Okay. So if I time you out for a second, and you should already be back, but that worked perfectly. So I only timed you out for a second, so you should already be back. Yeah. That went perfectly. which means that I now have a perfect. This is a custom stream, custom stream chat that I'm going to be using for my stream going forward. So instead of the way my stream layout, like my stream border stuff looks right now, with the thing over here and the chat above my head and that kind of thing, it's going to look more like this, where I've got a bigger space for the music stuff in the corner, in the side here. I've got a space here for pop-ups. It's built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. That is true, because Windows is because it's the easiest way to do it with OBS. Nope, pure HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. By the way, Max, do you mind if I time you out for like a second? Because I just need to test that the Twitch side of things is working. Perfect. Yeah, you should already be back. Don't worry about it. But what's it called? Yeah, you saw, like, as soon as I said it, it cleared out, and your previous message also didn't show up. Yeah, you were already smitten, and it's already you're already back. It was only for 1 second. But yeah, point is, let me bring back your. Oh, I can't see your old messages. Damn it. Oh no, there they are. OBS opens the files because OBS can open HTML files as like as an element in the stream. So I can just pull up an OBS thing, and it will be a layer in. I can just pull up a HTML file. It'll be a layer in OBS, and it'll just work. Okay, so that's gonna be ready. That's gonna be fine. Yep, I can. I'm using WebSockets for the message signaling here. This is with WebSockets, so that's all good. Currently, I'm just going to export this so that it's almost done. I just need to add some text here saying chat, YouTube, and Twitch, or Twitch and then YouTube. I can swap whichever ones later, and then insert this as a thing. Oh, years and years. I think that should all be good. I think so. Well, let's figure out. Yes, I do software development as my job. A lot of infrastructure development, that kind of thing. More back end. I'm on my own time. I'm more front end. Work time. I'm more back end. Perfect. Nope, I don't really. I just taught myself. I find that is usually one of the better approaches to all of this. That is right, isn't it? Save that. All close that. Uh, uh, Server route. Well, I do a lot of like AWS infra management, setting up different resources, configuring different services, all that kind of stuff, like linking them together. A lot of network stuff. So not really routing and that kind of thing, but uh, I guess so. Uh, okay. I guess if I do export this, I get away with not having to worry about. Uh, oh, thank you for the follow. That's really nice of you. No worries, no worries. Okay, so we're going to transform this so it's a bit taller. We're going to move that down one so that I can actually do that. And then we are going to select. This is just for like the assets. I drew all of this for the thing, so I want to keep it. Okay. Okay, so let's get this to, was it elite? Special elite. Uh, 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 my favorite programming language? Probably C. Yeah. Because it's really low level, which means that you're forced to learn how to do everything properly. Right? You can't, there's no cheating. Well, not cheating, but there's a lot of skills and like fundamental soft like development things that I feel like a lot of people just don't learn in most languages because there's a lot of tools that help you and like bypass that learning process. But if you learn in C from the beginning, in C, you get so you end up building up a lot of useful skills. Uh, uh, that's true. Edge is a little silly on that. No, because well, it's my personal opinion that Edge and other languages like that uh, are like overly bloated and do not actually help you in terms of being good at UI development. But I think that's just because I'm more of a more of a coder than I am a UI developer. For my purposes, I prefer vanilla JS. Yes, because I feel like involving a bunch of um, uh, involving a bunch of frameworks in all of this usually just makes things more complicated than it needs to be. I don't know. Do I? I really wouldn't be able to tell. I heard a bling, but I did not see a message. Oh, that's odd. Oh, wait, what kind of accent? I don't know. I honestly don't know. Uh, I'm afraid that falls under my clause for no personally identifying information, please. No worries. Okay. We're duplicating that. We are. Uh, I guess you could count me as a senior dev. I mean, it really depends on who you ask. It depends heavily on the project as well. Uh, does that look good? I think that looks good. What kind of theme is this? Um, so it gets into the lore parts of me being a VTuber, which is that, in theory, I am supposed to be um, part of a species who discovered like magical concepts well before we well before we reached like developed civilization, and in the especially like sort of a druidic magical system, And we started using wild shapes and polymorphs since before we really had a society. And now we don't know what we're supposed to look like. And as a part of it, a lot of our technology is biologically based. So yeah, this is like an artificial forest that I live in, and that's my home. And you're coming to visit while I stream. I don't know. It came about through a lot of things. Uh, 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 kind of the general idea of wild shape as a magical spell did come from Dungeons and Dragons. But, uh, rename this. Okay. So, I now need to add a new div id is equal to layout layout overlay. Object JSON is um these are just references. I saved some chat events so that I can replicate them later whenever I want. So this is when I was testing like the emoji rendering and all of that stuff. Uh, uh, yep, kind of. Where is my there we go. I think object-oriented programming is fine. But I also think that most people don't know how to do object-oriented programming because so many people think that object-oriented programming is this bullshit with we need to like follow this strict format of how we structure our programs with like these factories and all this bullshit. No, that is so overcomplicated. You just need to think about things as objects, as discrete chunks of data and functionality. Every time you get more complicated than that, uh, uh, I, with, oh, this is 1080. Uh, hiring? Uh, uh, um, no, I haven't really done. Oh God, what's wrong? Oh yeah, I need to set this to uh background size. Oh, I'm close. Yeah. Uh, so which chat block needs to be at slightly shorter? I think 380 should be enough. Uh, this needs to be like 100. 150. Yeah. Are you? And height needs to be significantly smaller. Will 300 do? Yes, 300 will do. Yes, it's live. Um, and what would the thing about resumes that they never tell you is that resumes are extremely job dependent, right? Um, you need to say a lot of say what do you call it? A lot of jobs will have like very specific requirements, and because they use automated systems to like weed out a lot of applicants, um, you kind of have to adjust for that uh, when you're applying for a position. Not at the moment. Uh, okay. So now I just need to capture these stats. So for YT chat block, top is uh, height is still 400. Width is all that. That's the same. Um, this, it depends. Personally, I don't find this much harder than a real job, but at the same time, I also don't have I also don't like seriously concern myself. Like my real job is more tiring, but I also invest more of my personal effort into this. Okay, good. I should be able to hide this now, and I'm gonna save that for one. Double check that. That's good. And that is ready, I think. My first job was doing AI integrations for this startup. They wanted to have like an automated assistant to handle chat stuff. Uh, okay. They were using OpenAI for some stuff, but it was honestly a terrible decision. I would not go with it if it were up to me. Okay, let's see about switching over to this. Uh, so hit that for a moment. Layout. hide that for a moment. Uh, OpenAI, in my opinion, like it was for their specific use case, right? OpenAI is pretty good when it comes to generating like good conversational responses, but basically has to be run on their servers. They were dealing with a lot of personally identifying information stuff that they couldn't legally like just have lying around. So uh uh so in that sense it very much was a very different approach to all of that, and not something that they could just like have like yeah. Anyways, uh where is the web browser? Uh, no, I don't. Uh, okay. Let's see. Uh, why is that not working? Oh, because you're above this. There we go. Uh, yep, I can. It's up on my other monitor along with my OBS thing. I have so much more space to put my uh to put my thing here. Hey, yep. Oh wait, why is that black? Oh god damn it. I forgot that. Uh text color uh uh, and now if I refresh Lotto, the custom chat. Yeah. Can you just pop something in chat? Actually, I'll just do it on both. Uh, okay. The chat is delayed on purpose because I keep getting this very irritating behavior where a bunch of bots will keep spamming the chat, especially on Twitch. So, um, because of that, actually no, that's fine. I would say like a 6. I'd like to think that I'm decent, but I also fully recognize that I am probably not as good as I think I am. But yeah. Uh, the new stream chat is up. I need to finish cleaning up the. Uh, uh, sure. Is it like live anywhere or? I've got a Discord. You can drop by with a stream chat for links and stuff if you want it to be personal, or at least less permanent than is up on thing. Yeah, if you want to. Let's see. Oh, okay. Let's. So this is like your layout for how your app is gonna work. Got an app. There's an app here with a user overlay, some login stuff, a tip thing. Okay, can you tell me what this is about? This seems to be like on a very rough layer. This seems to be like um okay. No Java analytics. Okay. Uh yeah, no, I'm just taking a look at it. Let's see. Um but, uh, uh, okay. Yeah, it's really weird because a lot of this is mixed to be all part of the same soundtrack, but they're not always like super consistent in how they sound. So I'm not the happiest about that. Uh, yeah. One day I will commission like some actual personal what do you call it? Personal like a personal BGM to go with this. But yeah, let's finish the okay, this looks decent. So the code looks more or less fine, I think. Um at least I'm not sure what system you're using to develop this. Oh, okay, so that's what that is. Okay, those are creation functions. This is login. Okay. I think this might be relying a bit. So I think you're overcomplicating a lot of this. Okay, so what I might suggest, based on what you've got here, is that what do you call it? Is that this looks to be like a fairly standard app that you can log into, and then it shows you some kind of analytics. I'm not sure what the analytics are supposed to show you, but it's showing you some kind of analytics. Right? Yeah. You look good. Much more readable as well. Middle, then open sidebar. Okay. So click here. No. Click middle. Open sidebar. I don't see the sidebar. Uh, oh, that's a really unfortunate. Okay. Uh, Deployment tab? I don't see a deployment tab. There's this thing. Oh, here. Uh, Open development preview. Here we go. Okay, I see an analytics board. I don't see what the analytics board is supposed to do. Okay. That's cool. Uh, that's nice. Uh, okay. Yeah, no worries, no worries. My only question, I guess, is, I mean, it looks pretty. That's fine. I'm just not sure what it's supposed to be connecting to. Right? Like, if you want to, learn a little bit more about handling analytics and stuff, and you're doing this as like a portfolio project, what you can do is go into like um the Bluetooth, say the go to like the YouTube or the Twitch API. They're fairly like open, widely available things, and you can adjust that. So I think I'm going to have to adjust the. Okay, that's a couple of things I'm going to need to fix. So I'm going to delete all of the flower. Well, all the flowers over there. Okay. Okay. So yeah, the app thing you've got here is really cool. I'm quite interested in that. Um, this as a demo product for that is pretty decent. You can see how it translates over that. You've got some decent front end functionality there. So yeah. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to uh yeah, I'm going to update this entirely by deleting everything above that. No worries, no worries. Always interested in that. Actually, we're going to set this like a lower opacity. We're going to do that. We're going to grab um this thing. We're going to Control Shift A, and then we're going to do some that makes sense. Uh, I want to make this more. Uh, Okay. Coverage. I don't use Photoshop. I use Krita because it's free. But I've used Krita for about a year. Before that, I mainly used GIMP, but GIMP has really crappy stylus support, so I don't use it as much anymore. No, I'm not sure what that is. Uh, yeah, I'm not a super huge fan of browser apps. I like my applications to run locally and like properly. So I think I might have heard of it then. It rings a bell, but it's not something that I would be overly enthused with. Uh, I don't drive because it's public transport's really convenient for me. I can get to work easily, I can get to my shopping easily. A car would just be a waste of money for me right now, so I don't bother. Hmm. Mostly rail. Uh, that's much better. It'll clean up that space for me a little bit. We can up this to that. Swap for some darker colors. Uh, 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 so yeah. Save file, export in stuff, coding projects, overlay to images, layout picture. Yep, replace that. That's much better, I think. There we go. That is indeed much better. So now I can move all of you to the right place. I can get more window out of all of this. Blood? No, it is. They are leaves, but they're red on purpose. So the blood thing is not unintended. Okay, let's. If you look at my model, I've got some red leaves around my neck, so. To some extent, the comparison is actually very much intended. Uh, 3090 that I got on sale, and what do you call it? A 3090 that I got on sale, and was it the 9700 not Radeon, Ryzen 9700. Yeah, I do gaming. I was playing XCOM for a while, but then it started crashing all the time, so I couldn't. XCOM, yes. XCOM is a turn-based or XCOM. You've spelled it correctly. XCOM is a turn-based, like tactics shooter, like RPG, where you play as Earth defending against an alien invasion. Save file, export. Uh, Image. File, export. Yes. My max bench press right now is something like 65 kilos or so. I don't know what that is in. Actually, it's probably more than that. I haven't like tested a max bench yet, but it might be like 70 kilos nowadays. Maybe more than that. I haven't tried in a while. There we go. Much better. Yes. I benched the big plates. That is the only thing left, I think, is the bush overlay for uh okay, so I just need to make like a little bush structure that I can uh, 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 file export uh, 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 okay. Uh, good. And then I just need to add an okay. I need to adjust that. Let's see. Yep. Uh, okay. Uh, 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 yeah. Okay. There we go. That is much nicer. Hey, that's good. I am much more happy with that. Okay. Uh, 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 good. Perfect. Why in the world are you screwy? Uh, 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 let's see. Uh, oh, okay. 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 Uh, there we go. Oh, wait. Uh, that looks good. Hmm. Okay. That looks good. Hmm. We're going to eventually move the alerts down here. Uh, uh, okay. Okay, how much time do we have left for today? Uh, 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 okay. Oh, that is much better. Okay, there we go. I'm quite happy with that. Uh, 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 oh, that is much better. Uh, I think that needs to be darker though. Hmm. Uh, uh, okay. Okay, much better. Okay, there we go. Much better. Uh, there we go. Uh, hmm, uh, 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 I am going to adjust some position. Oh, that sucks. That's terrible. I'm gonna lower the slate because I feel like that's a bit too high right now. Oh God. Image. Uh, uh, and then uh, yep, and then we hit OK, and then we rescale it up to the big one. And then we refresh custom chat, and that is better. We're seeing a little bit more. Actually, hold on. Let's see something. Uh, 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 and uh, yeah, okay. There we go. Uh, 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 Much better. Okay, so we've got that fully set up. Oh goddamn, why are you still screwed up? Why is the progress bar screwy? Uh, 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 much better. Okay, let's see if that works. Uh, oh, that's right. Oh, wait, no, I don't. Uh, 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 okay. I'm gonna try it. Uh, there we go. So that's fixed. Uh, okay. Uh, okay. Perfect. Uh, The hell is wrong with that goddamn tuna progress bar? Uh, uh, Damn, I hate this damn progress bar. Uh, a huge pain. Uh, uh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Uh, there we go. Uh, 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 hmm. I'm going to hope that stops breaking. Uh, uh, oh, okay. Uh, B, push. B, push. Uh, 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 okay, there we go. Uh, there we go. Uh, uh, Okay. 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 Uh, uh, yeah. Okay. Uh, hmm. Uh, uh, rename. Uh, uh, good. Uh, delete that and that and that. Just that. Uh, uh, okay. What do you mean so many leaves? I've got a lot of leaves. Uh, uh, okay. And then rename. Okay, finally. That is everything updated, barring my um what do you call it? Barring my alerts, which I do not feel up to right now. Uh, anything that I'm missing? What do I want to do? I want to do. I could do raid. So I could do a raid. A raid would not be beyond me right now. Um. Okay. Less is more sometimes. And okay. Refresh. Much better. Uh, uh, Perfect. Um. Oh wait, hold on. There's one other thing I can do. Uh, 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 and uh, 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 okay. Okay. Perfection. And if I run that, it'll take a few seconds. Perfect. Let's see. Uh, uh, I think that's all I can manage today. In theory, I could do alerts, and I do have an animation that I need to do for raids that will have to one day simulate, but uh, uh Uh, 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 yeah, I think that's all for tonight. Thanks for dropping by. It's been great. I'm happy with where I have left off today. So, cheerio, everyone.